Hello techies, we are in lab 2.4.9 and we're going to connect fiber optic cables. You work as an IT administrator for a growing corporate network. You are in the process of creating an ISCSI storage area network on the copy ISCSI server. This server is currently connected to the network using an Ethernet cable. To increase the server's performance, you have decided to replace the existing Ethernet connection with a fiber optic connection. So when connecting the server, use the color code on the end of the fiber optic cable to identify the TX RX connection end. Connector A is red and it's going to be TX, connection B is black, it's going to be RX. Okay, and then verify the server is connected to the network through fiber optic connection. All right, so we'll go ahead and start lab. And if this video appears to be too fast for you all in any way, you can always pause the video and work at your own pace, because I'm trying to make this video as short as possible so that it won't end up being too long for you. So we'll wait for this to load up. Alright, so we go into the cables and we're going to select a fiber optic cable. Let's see, let's maximize this. Let's see, we're selecting a fiber optic cable. Okay, we'll drag and drop this here and let's see, take this up. Okay, so this is going to go into this end here, and yeah, so it's going to go into this end, and let's see, connector B, black is RX, red is TX. Okay, remember that this is the back of the rack, so this B is black and TX is red. So let's connect RX here, which is supposed to be black. Okay, so this is fine now. This is fine now. Let's see. Remove the server's previous Ethernet network connection and place it. Okay, so remove this. Remove the previous Ethernet connection. So let's just drag this out of this. You left click and drag it out, and go back to the front and let's see. So bring in another network Ethernet cable. We'll drag this out and then plug in another Ethernet cable here. Let's see. Let's go into the computer and open our network. This is connected, and CorpNet, the local is connected. Let's see, do you miss anything? Oh, so we disconnect Ethernet cable from copies. Okay, so we missed that. Let's quickly go back and sort that out. So we disconnect. Let's see. Okay, return it back to the shelf. So that is it. If this video was helpful to you in any way, share on other platforms so that others can benefit. Like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in the next video.